Namaste everyone. In today's video, I will be sharing a DIY decorative door toran. Not only can this toran be hung on your front door, but it can also be used to decorate many backdrops. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell icon for notifications so you don't miss any future videos. For this DIY toran, you need any piece of cloth. I am using a blouse piece. I am also making two colored toran using both green and red blouse pieces. First, we need to make a leaf template. To make the leaf template, I am using a white paper which is folded in half. Mark 1 inch from the folded end of the paper. Now from this marking, trace the leaf shape with pencil as shown here. Now cut the leaf out. The leaf template I made is 4.5 to 5 inches long. You can measure your desired length and cut accordingly. Next, using this template, trace the leaf on the back of the blouse piece. I traced 7 leaves on both green and red blouse pieces. You can trace as many leaves as you like. Since I traced the leaves on a folded blouse piece, I got 14 leaves of each color after cutting them out. For this toran, I am using 8 green leaves and 7 red leaves. The extra leaves can be used to make another toran. Next, take any lace of your choice. I am using a gold lace. Leave 1 inch at the edge and start sticking the leaves. Now spread the glue and stick the leaf so that the front is facing down. I am placing green and red leaves alternatively as shown. I am starting and ending the toran with green leaf. I am using a pencil as a guide to keep the spacing between the leaves. Leave 1 inch at the other end also before you cut the lace. Now I am decorating the edges of the leaves using thin lace. I cut the lace to the length of the rim of the leaf and glued it with the help of hot glue. Make sure the lace is aligned with the edge properly. I got this lace from Amazon. You can also get good laces from Temu as well. If you can clearly see, here I am tucking the top edge of the thin lace under the top lace as shown. Once you are done sticking the lace to the edges of the leaves, trim off any uneven edges of the leaves. Now it's time to decorate the leaves. I am putting a red kundan on the green leaves and a green kundan on the red leaves and decorating around it using some gold mirrors. I am using white glue to glue them onto the leaves. I added another mirror at the bottom of each leaf. I had only 6 red kundan stones, so I made a different design for the 2 green leaves at the ends. By placing a round mirror in the center and 4 diamond-shaped mirrors around it as shown. If you don't have kundan stones, you can just use mirrors like this. Now we need to add rings to both ends of the toran to make it easily hangable. I am using this keychain ring. You can also use any plastic rings like this if you have them. I am inserting the edge of the lace into the ring and then I am applying hot glue and folding it as shown. Now our beautiful DIY Thoran is ready for upcoming festivals. If you would like, you can add any decorative bells or hangings to the tip of the leaves. I am not adding it to this Thoran since I didn't have matching bells. Soon I will be making a short video on how to hang a bell to the tip of the leaf. So please subscribe and click the bell for notification. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon in the next video. Until then, take care.